Discover gorgeous main-level living by Boylan Homes in sought-after Sky Meadows Estates. Located in South Salem, it's close to great schools, the Creekside Golf Club, and convenient to shopping, including Costco, downtown, and the freeway. The stylish paver driveway and covered front porch invite you inside. Discover gorgeous flooring, high ceilings, a light and bright interior, an 8-foot-tall slider, and a cozy gas fireplace. You'll find designer touches and high-end materials throughout, including a cook's kitchen with quartz countertops, a gas range, large island with eating bar, modern fixtures, and a walk-in pantry. The primary suite is a peaceful retreat with a large walk-in closet and a spa-like bath, complete with a dual sink vanity and a tile shower. You'll find 2 more large, light-filled main-level bedrooms and a second full bath. The covered patio is ready for entertaining in your fenced backyard with a sprinkler system. It's also keeping our rivers clean with the latest in on-site stormwater management systems. The 2-car garage includes room for storage. Several more custom-built homes in the coming months. Just ask for details. Come see the style and functionality of this fantastic home in Sky Meadows Estates. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.